guys, this is Rizwan Ahmed and today we are going to discuss about the topic the sentences, the kind of sentences and its uses. So let us discuss about the definition of sentence first. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words usually containing a verb, so a sentence must have a verb that makes a complete sense and expresses thought in form of a statement, question, instruction or exclamation. And a sentence starts with a capital letter when it's written. For example, Ram is a boy. So here this sentence usually describes about a boy, that is Ram. Kind of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences according to their expressions. First, the declarative or assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence or questioning sentence. Third, imperative sentence or commanding sentence. Fourth, exclamatory sentence. So look at this mind map. It can help you to remember the classification of sentences. So here is the assertive sentence, imperative sentence and interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So let us discuss first the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence generally makes a statement or assertion. This type of sentence is used when someone describing about someone, about some objects, about some event, etc. So let us see the examples. The Ganga is holy river. So the very first example is describes about a river Ganga. The second example is Shekhar won the game. So here this sentence describes about an event. And the third example, I learn English. So it describes your work. Assertive sentence structure. So assertive sentence must have an subject, a verb and an object. The second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. The sentence in which a question is asked. So whenever you ask someone a question, you are generally using an interrogative sentence then. So let us see the example. The second example is, where do you live in? So here you are asking about someone's address. Structure. So interrogative sentence generally starts with WH word. What is WH words? WH words are what, where, when, etc. Imperative sentence. This type of sentence convey a command or a request or instruction. So this type of sentence is used when someone ordering someone or somebody requests somebody, or you are giving instruction somebody. For example, don't touch my phone. So you are here commanding someone to not to touch a phone. The second example is, close the door please. So you are here requesting somebody to close the door. Stand up. So here somebody command, or the teacher is commanding the students for stand up. The exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence is generally used to express intense feeling or strong excitement. So when you are feeling excitement or happy about something, then your happiness or excitement is generally expressed by means of exclamatory sentence. So let us see the examples. Hooray, we won the match. So when you won a game, then you said, hooray, we won the match. Here you are expressing your excitement. What a shame. The third is, wow, that's beautiful. Beside the four kind of sentences, there are one more kinds of sentence. That is optative sentence. The optative sentence which expresses prayer, wish, curse. So this type of sentence is generally used by us when we are praying for someone, when we are cursing someone, when we are wishing someone. Suppose your brother's birthday is coming next Monday. So if you text her or send a message for her, then you will be use optative sentence. Happy birthday. It's an optative sentence. So example, may you be happy. So you are here wishing for stay happy. May you live long. So you are wishing for somebody for a eternal life or a long life. So here ends our discussion. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thank you.